Coffee time.
Coffee time. Let's go. Ah, they got food. Too bad we ate on the. Might have to get a snacker. It's on the other side.
Bowls and sandwiches. And pizza. Coconut cold brew.
It's gonna be right here. There you go.
Let's do
Got a coconut cold brew.
coconut cold brew.
And we got a couple of the cheese breads. I had cinnamon cheese bread.
There's here.
Those are so good.
You're not a coffee drinker though.
It's good though. Is there sugar in it?
This is good.
They put sugar in?
You don't need to. It's cold brew. It's got the coconut. It's sweet enough.
I think there's sugar in it already.